Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for inviting me to share a message at this very important event. As the mayor of the amazing city of Edmonton, I have been able to witness just how big the hearts of Canadian women are. In these unprecedented and challenging times, you have stepped up to care for others over and over again. So many of you have taken on childcare and schooling while juggling other responsibilities. A significant number of you have supported our country's children as teachers, principals, and school sports staff. And others have cared for the sick as doctors, nurses, daughters, and mothers. You have made sacrifices to prevent loved ones as well as strangers from getting sick during these very difficult and trying times. With all that you have given to others, today's event is a reminder just how important it is for to care for yourself because your heart matters to Canadians. COVID-19 has added so many extra stressors in your lives, and heart disease is on the rise. It is a leading cause of premature death in women. It's preventable, and this is why we're here today. In order to stop heart disease in its track, we need to educate ourselves about the unique causes and symptoms for women. And we need to ensure equity in our medical system. Thank you so much to the Canadian Women's Heart Health Alliance and the Canadian Women's Heart Health Center for their work to prevent this deadly disease and for making this educational event possible. And thank you to the many volunteers, advocates, and staff who are working to keep the hearts of Canadian women healthy and strong. So, on that note, I would like to make a special proclamation in honor of this day. So, here we go. Whereas heart disease is the leading cause of premature death in Canadian women, whereas despite their high risk of heart disease, women are studied and diagnosed at a lower rate than men. Whereas heart attack symptoms are not only recognized in more than 50% of the women. Whereas the Canadian Women's Heart Health Alliance and the Canadian Women's Heart Health Center work to educate, improve care, and enhance women's health through events like Wear Red Canada Day. Therefore, I, Mayor Amarjeet Sohi, do hereby proclaim February 13th, 2022, Wear Red Canada Day in Edmonton, Alberta's capital city. Once again, thank you so much for having me, and I wish you all the best for the rest of the day.